Just copped everything for the trip. You already know.
Let's get it, my boy.
All right, leaving Walmart. Copped hella shit. Sheesh. Look at that big ass receipt. That's the biggest receipt we're ever gonna have in our lives. This one right here, mine is a 6 footer. Here are the rods we got earlier at Big 5. Right now we're gonna head back, get some propane, and get this nigga a sleeping bag. Cause he scanned the fucking sleeping bag right now. Tell him how much it was, nigga.
It's fucking $30. Fuck, nigga.
Fuck no, me and the U-Dog got ours for fucking 17 at Big 5. So we're gonna.
Mine's blue, yours is green.
Yep. Gonna return at Big 5 right now. Update you guys over there.
We in the real whip now.
Yes, sir. Not in the daily anymore. We're on the way to Galleria Mall because at Walmart, my boy Jose didn't fuck with the $30 sleeping bag.
Fuck no, nigga.
He said, fuck that.
That shit said $15.99. I said, hell yeah.
He said he got clickbaited.
That shit said $35.99. I was like, what the fuck?
Put that shit back right
That
away.
shit real quick, nigga.
But yep, on the way to Galleria now. We did pass through Big 5 just because we wanted to check out Dick's before anything. All right, update. We're here at Dick's now. They don't have shit here, to be honest. We got my boy Jose looking for a sleeping bag, that's it. And then we're just gonna skedaddle because they don't have shit. Yep, Big 5 it is. Sheesh! All right, we out here.
I'm about to wear my shit. Can I see the soda, Gio?
We're about to dip out of here.
You know what it might be?
Packing all the shit right here.
Can we empty this right now? Put the cooler in.
Here's what we gotta pack up, and then we got a 3.5-hour drive to Panguitch. All right, guys, quick update. I stopped for some food. We're on the way there finally. Look at all this shit we got in the back. Hey, bitch!
Bro, he has a fucking ace.
Motherfucker, bro, that's my fucking spicy.
Sure, nigga? We
Fuck no, nigga.
Hey, what if the back opens up and all our shit just flies out? The back window? Like the back of the truck. Damn, I gotta pee. How you think they can hear me? It's fucking...
From a balcony, pulling the blue lawn chairs next to the ice chest of 2 grams in the blood that we just brewed. Now I'm getting blown by a bitch who I don't know her name. Gold chain hanging, got a few in the room, but I don't wear them out. Only wear them in the house, cause I shine so bright that I wanna blind you.
You can't even see that shit. Shut up. Fuck, put that shit up. I'm freezing, bro. Put that shit up, nigga. Fuck. That's crazy.
We got close part to the fucking mountain. We're already freezing our ass off, and it's not even the coldest it's gonna get.
I was concerned that there was gonna be gas, to be honest.
All right, guys, little update. We're low on gas.
We still got fucking 25 minutes, 25 miles. We'll be good.
So yeah, that's the update.
Wait, check the
We
map.
do got a gas container in the back that the U-Dog brought. He said it's like half full. They didn't even fill it up, but hopefully we can make it there. Worst case scenario, we just pull over and camp there, and in the morning we try to hitchhike to a gas station. We send the U-Dog. All right, guys, finally made it out here. That was like a 5.5-hour trip.
I'm anxious about the fucking area.
Gonna set up shop real quick. People out there fucking camping and shit. We're not the only ones out here, so hopefully we're safe around all these people.
We just text up there, make sure nobody was doing shit.
Whew. Try to set up the tent right now.
We got the wrong one. How is that shit supposed to save us, dog? Nigga Gio put it right here. Nigga Gio's never been camping.
Alright, guys, try to build this shit out right now.
Here, hold on, because it's caught right here. Alright, go.
Can't see shit out here.
We got hella. Oh, fuck it, bro. No, don't worry. I just have to keep pushing it through. Here, I'll push more through.
What, nigga?
There's something you just gotta pull it like this. You just gotta keep pulling it one by one. Stomach, look at it.
Sheesh. Made the tents up. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did that shit myself. But yeah, y'all can see that shit, man. That shit set up, man. Can't wait to see this shit.
Well, tell me, boy. I'm excited, sir.
Look at it.
Is that shit warm? Hey, bro, we got hella space. This nigga literally recording. He's fucking me, bro. Hey, we can't fit it. Bro, we got hella space. Fuck. Keep digging, nigga. Nigga, I'm staying in the fucking in the truck. Hey, unlock the truck.
Still out here. Almost done digging up this hole right here. Put rocks around it so the fire don't spread and shit.
Oh, there's two floating lights.
Here's a truck we brought. Nissan Titan. Yes, sir. Jose out here putting that work. He's still at work right now.
Mexicans, I swear, dude. He hasn't clocked out.
He hasn't clocked
He
out.
hasn't clocked out. He's the nature. The one thing in the OT. There, starting. There you go. Let's see how it goes. There you go.
Alright, we're about to make some hot chocolate and some s'mores right now. We got D-Dog right here.
Cooking some wieners and
Cooking a wiener right now. We got the milk on there ready for the hot chocolate right now. My boy U-Dog out there looking for something. Chill ass night right now.
Did somebody open these?
Tomorrow we go fishing.
That bitch up?
Probably gonna rent a boat, get out on the lake.
Yeah.
Over here at Panguitch Lake right now. First trip of many. Let's see how this goes. Right now the Jose's fucking taking out a hot dog bun.
Man, these motherfuckers are frozen, bro. Yeah, play that shit. Got like random 500 songs download. Connect. Dang, I started to feel a little heat. Did you connect? I'm turning it on.
We're out here cooking s'mores and shit now.
Fuck, mine's on fire. Blow it out. That's what you're supposed to do.
Jose's first s'more. What do you think?
Where's that? Better than pussy? Better than pussy? This one. I don't know.
I don't know, your girl might get mad if you say yeah, nigga. We're out here.
Took my first breath where the muddy rises, spills into the Gulf of Mexico. The skyline's colored by chemical plants that put bread on the table of the working man, where the working man does his best to provide safety and shelter for kids and a wife, giving a little of a soul every day, making overtime the wolves away.
Put some Drake in the back and shit. Wu-Tang for everything.
That hot chocolate, yes sir. Let me see. Let him show him what you're drinking.
Show them this content right here.
Yes sir. Adventure awaits, buddies. All right, guys. We woke up like 10 minutes ago.
Woke up, bitch. Someone was gonna sleep.
This nigga David said he didn't sleep. But yeah, it's like 30 degrees out right now. The U-Dog's right here, hella fucking comfortable. can't barely see them. Right now we got the
throw
eggs.
all them on there for me, nigga. That's it.
That's all the eggs?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
That was all of them.
That?
Yeah.
Shit, nigga, that ain't gonna fill me up.
Eat the bacon.
Got some bacon right there.
Hey, grab a patty.
Sheesh, we be eating better out here than we do at
For
home.
what? Nigga, get out here and do something.
All right, packing up all the fishing shit right now. This nigga put on a fucking little bug. I put on this bitch right here. Yes, sir. Probably gonna head out soon. Sheesh. Just gonna organize a little bit. Probably dip out. All right, guys. Ran into the boats. Here's the fucking lake.
We're gonna see who can catch
Sheesh.
most fish.
All right, who do you guys think is gonna catch the most fish?
Even though I'm not fishing.
Ulysses says himself. Jose says himself. David says himself.
On God.
Show you guys the lake in a little bit, even better.
Let's go pick
Out on the
first
boat.
Let's go pick-
Jeez, these are the boats we better hop on right here. Sheesh. Yes, sir.
I want to see Jose get in though.
That's why!
Sheesh. Caught my first
Poor
fish.
little fish, bro.
Oh shit.
Don't let that shit slip. No, fuck that. Oh, bitch.
Oh, poor ass dude.
Oh shit.
Nah, bro, he's too slithery. Like, he's gonna.
Hey. Hey.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh shit.
Don't let him fly out.
Jeez, first fish of the day. You already know. First ever fish.
Beautiful day today. Chill out, bitch.
Did you watch all that?
Sheesh.
Look at that shit, bro.
Yes, sir. Yeah, buddy.
What you gonna name that shit?
Let Rodrigo.
Let me grab this
Rodrigo,
nigga.
damn, two
Let me take a
fish.
picture.
Oh, take a picture.
Yes, sir. Number 2. In 5 hours.
Fucking nigga, worth it, nigga.
Woo! Let's go.
What's this one?
Number 3. This one's
Sheesh.
this one's
Pancho.
number 3. You dog, because he's been saying he's caught 3 fish today. Nigga hasn't caught. No, take a picture.
Oh, another picture.
All right, that's
Date, güey.
Cálmese la verga.
All right, guys, calling this shit a day. David caught 5 fish. I got 6. They skunked over there. They goose egg. They got 0. But yes, sir. Beautiful out here. About to dip back home. We're not gonna spend the night this time just because there's nothing for us to do tomorrow, so there's kind of no point to do it twice. We kind of just camped the first night just so we can come fishing. And yes, sir, it was a successful day for me. I don't know about it.
And then we'll come back and like during lunch.
Sheesh! Last update, we're already home.
It's Sunday.
It's Sunday.
Morning tomorrow, nigga.
Yeah.
I'm chill right now, nigga. Fuck all that bullshit.
I might have watched Squid Game. Squid Game. Made it back though. Hope y'all fuck with the video. I think the total fish today was around 20. We just forgot to film some. But yeah, peace out.
Te dije que las... Oh, no.